Picture this, a world where every purchase made is a vote for sustainability. Intriguing, isn't it? Welcome to the era of green products where value meets virtue. Imagine a product that not only serves your needs but also respects Mother Earth. Firstly, consider the life cycle. Green products have a longer lifespan, which means fewer replacements and more savings. Secondly, think health. Green products often have fewer harmful chemicals, making them safer for your home and family. Thirdly, ponder the environment. Buying green reduces your carbon footprint, helping to combat climate change. So next time you shop, remember, it's more than just a purchase. It's an investment in a sustainable future. Green is not just a color anymore, it's a lifestyle. Choose wisely, choose green. Thanks for listening, and remember, every choice counts. Until next time.